right, cool. Excellent income level. Great. Really happy with that. Let's see, what are we making on that? On the Bernie slow, making like 80. All these are looking pretty good, except for the cough fatigue. Interesting. How is that looking market-wise? Sue's cough. No, I don't know. I think it just must be... No, don't even have any competition there. Weird. Weird. Okay, oh, ingredient-wise, I have a bunch of points. I can upgrade stuff, so that's good. What's my most expensive one? That's super cheap. That's so great. But that's the cheap one. Let's upgrade you. Yeah, upgrade you. Upgrade you. Let's just upgrade each of them. There we go. And I'm actually gonna fire both of you and save that $100 a day. Look at that income go up. Because I don't need any more ingredients. All I care about is churning out diet pills. Oh, and this is nearly done. So I'm gonna just be able to get autoclave started. We're only in August, so it's gonna be September when I get autoclave research started. I don't know how long that takes. But that's what I need, right? I've got the evaporator and I need an autoclave. Double checking it, man, double checking it. Don't wanna start research on the wrong thing here. One day, I need 4 of them. Hire a scientist, go. Great. Great. All right, so let's upgrade. This is probably be the last thing I do this episode. I don't know. Maybe I get this. I can get it. I can finish it, right? Whizbang sneeze relief. That's good for you, man. So I can alleviate stomach ulcers. What? Increasing demand for gout medication. Great. I don't care. Use an evaporator to alleviate stomach ulcers. Let's go check that out. So let's pause here, actually. All right, so this. So I get that to 16 to 18. And then I use an evaporator. And then we'll alleviate stomach ulcers. All right, so let's actually see here. So I'll need another dissolver. And then an evaporator. That will work. That'll do it. Okay, go. And what does this do exactly? Stomach ulcers. All right, sounds good. So is that? Let's check this out when it goes to the evaporator. Whoop. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, stop. Oh shit, I didn't mean to stop that. Oh, I forgot. I gotta do further adjustments after that. Crud. Okay, that was dumb of me. Okay, let's do that there. All right, we gotta delete all that. That's garbage. Move that. Sure. Just move that. All right, so we got belts there. I guess I'll do it like that. And then I do need to do some more dissolvers, I believe, after that. Well, let's just run it, so I can find out. I can't believe I put that right into the printers. I didn't even think about, like, it's gonna change the effect, so I'm gonna have to figure out. There it is. All right, so this is active at 8 to 12. I can remove that with an evaporator. But I'm not gonna use an evaporator in that range. Okay, I could probably hit the, like, 2 birds with 1 stone there. This is removed with a dissolver at 3 to 4. That's ridiculous. But I can get rid of the constipation so that this isn't such a crap drug. So let's see here. This is gonna be a really long episode. So causes constipation. It's at 13 to 17, and I'm bringing it down to 19. So I go down 2 more because I need to go down in the end anyway. So let's move that there. Bringing me 2 more dissolvers. One there. One there. Put that there. Great. That's actually looking really much more efficient. Okay, cool. So then we play. This little dude's just looking at his defunct pill printer there. All right, so this should do 2 things. Yes, got rid of that side effect and changes to alleviate stomach ulcers. We need to get down to 12. We're at 17. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, some people I have seen will do this all with dissolvers because it's slightly cheaper per unit of decrease, but it takes so many machines. It's like more of an initial capital outlay for small savings over time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then actually if I went 6, so I'm gonna go 6, so I'm just gonna go with 2 ionizers anyway, because that's just way more efficient in the end. So I had 2 ionizers. Yep. It's nice that you can reposition things instead of having to sell absolutely everything every time you place something badly. Oh shoot. Stupid pill printers. Won't fit there. Won't fit there. I can fit one there. Alright, well, let's move that back. Move that there. And then my pill printers will fit over here. Actually, they'll fit like this. Okay, good. That's a little bit better. And like that, and like that. All right, that should give me pretty optimal pill. So let's check that out. So we're leaving ulcers. This is doing 2 things. Then you're bringing it down, activating some side effects, deactivating some side effects, and then making it into pills. Causes pins and needles. That's hardly a huge side effect. It's like, oh, some people will feel a tingly sensation. Wobro vomit relief? Whoa. Okay, Wobro Co. Whoa, Crow. Vomit, no. There you go. Since it's referencing vomit by default, anyway. So this is my product, correct? Let's take a look at that. Profit is 88. Excellent. I'm pleased with that. All right. And we're at December of 2016, so it's been 2 years. And I have like 5 months till I have an autoclave. But an autoclave is all I need. I have the production line set up. I need to get this to, it needs to go to 6 to 8 and then through an autoclave. So that's fine. I can just buy like one, I don't even know who's got a product. Whiz Bang Chesty Cough Bane. Very nice, guys. And my money's going up nicely. So I just need to buy one more section here. Maybe I'll buy this one, and I can use any of these ports and just churn the stuff on along down there. Oh, I might need 2 autoclaves for the 1 production line, though. That's something I didn't consider. Interesting. Well, nothing to be done there until this research is done. Let's take a look at how the company is doing. Oh, why is that blue? Oh, because that's a 2nd tier. Oh, nice. I never even realized that. E-. That's a terrible drug. Causes fatigue. It must be like peak range for causing fatigue or something. There are actually, once you get, there's a piece of machinery called an analyzer that will tell you where it highlights the spot in the range for each effect. Let me go to the ingredients. Whoops. Flipping through 100 tabs. Here you go. So like it'll show you where max strength. There it is. You see its question mark? If you have an analyzer, you can analyze it. It'll highlight which square is the maximum strength, which is usually what causes people to get like cured. When you're looking at the cures screen here, you can see people being cured. Those are people who are subtracted from the total market. The sufferers. Oh, people who require this cure. So you can cure people, but then there's no one left to buy your drug that cured them. Obviously, with this game, it's not even as big a deal as it would be in the real world, because there's no R&D. It gives you the recipe for exactly how to do this. Imagine if you had to just keep trying out different combinations of machines at different, different concentrations of each ingredient until you just figured out when it randomly turned into something else. That would be like the amount of R&D, comparatively, it would take to figure out these drugs. Instead, you're just given a roadmap with everything laid out. So you can actually recoup costs even if you cure everybody. But if you had to just blunder through it until you found out how it worked, I think that you probably couldn't even recoup the cost it took you to build all of the machinery to test out all the possible combinations. So yeah, that's why you don't cure people. I don't want to sound like I'm exactly defending like large drug companies, but it's not as, it's not 100% like anything in life. It's not 100% like, oh, they're just evil. Okay, 90%, 1 month. Oh, hurry it up, hurry it up. Oh, it's getting hot in my office here. Guys, research faster. There we go, days, all right. Oh, pardon me, gotten some water there. So, let's go and buy this plot. And so we needed to, it's a concentration of 6 to 8, and then an autoclave, and then we have to figure out, whatever else, whatever other adjustments. So this is bringing it down to 11. So I need to go to 8. That's another 3. So 1 more ionizer. Wow, that is just super convenient. So as soon as that's done, boom, thank you. All right, now let's, what do we want to research? I don't even know. I guess I'll just do the creamer and fire 2 of you guys. All right, great, let's do it. Let's make our appetite suppressant. Put you there, and another ionizer there. Beautiful. All right, and then we need an autoclave. I could go down 1 further. Make it easier to do this. Can't do it that way, don't have a crossover yet. All right, I'll just do it there, whatever. Great, all right. Run it! And this will just sell the last couple things off of there. That's 8, beautiful. So this autoclave will... Appetite suppressant, beautiful. Effective range, we want to be at the bottom of that, is 11, so we need to go to 11. That would be another 7, so 2 agglomerators. Oops, do that one there. That one there. And then 1 evaporator. Oh gosh, this is so ugly. I guess I'm gonna do it that way. Great, okay, play through that. June of 2017. Oh gosh, we're getting so close. Oh no, I forgot. This is a process time of 2. Shoot, I need 2 autoclaves. Okay, I need to buy that. This isn't working out this way. All right, so what we need to do... Move that there. And then another autoclave. Kinda. That won't work. Kinda there, I guess? Yeah. Alright, so... belts go in there. And to there. There we go. And then, oops, more belts. Loop those up. So then we bring this to here. This to here. That to there. All right. 2 autoclaves going. So let's just double check that this is still looking right. Gives us appetite suppressant. Very good. Oops. Get these up. Ah! There we go. All right. So then over here, we're getting close. Excellent. We're gonna go up 1 more so we don't activate that urinary retention side effect. Just pins and needles, which, you know what? You're tingly, but at least you're not hungry, right? And hold on, did my research for the creamer? It did finish. Oh no, sorry, the creamer's here. Ah, it's autoclave I was looking at. 1 month. So I could make this into an appetite suppressant cream because it reduces the strength of side effects and a low process time, which is nice. But I don't have that yet, and I need to be selling appetite suppressant now and be selling it quickly. So I am going to sell whatever. This is really getting to the point of being the evil drug company. I need to sell whatever is an appetite suppressant now. All right, let's see here. Whoa, bro. Food no mo. Eat no more, right? No. Food no mo, yeah. Excellent. Boom, we're selling them. We're selling them, check it out. All right, I think that at this point, that is essentially winning the scenario. Like, I believe there's enough time. We need to do it by... Oh, there's the creamer. Okay, great. Yeah, I don't care. I don't care. I've got my ingredients. Oh, I can get rid of all this stuff now. There we go. And you can actually be pretty efficient by, like, if you sell these machines, I think you only get half of the price back. So you can just keep the machines around and double click to, like, reshuffle them around. That's pretty handy. And my income is looking awesome. Oh, let's take a look. Are my ingredients, my explorers are all fired. Okay, good. Research-wise, my scientists now are just come up with points. So what I'm gonna do is actually use them to upgrade some of my basic stuff, making it a tad cheaper. Makes the processes slightly cheaper for each unit. So they're each dissolver is only $9 instead of $10 per process now. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, $4 less of a processing cost on this one drug. Getting up with gourmet foods. We're looking for bland. Oh, decreasing demand for gout medication. All right, I don't make any of that. But there we go. Look at this. My appetite suppressants are being supplied are just skyrocketing. Oh, so I think that is pretty much it. I can let this run. I could try to double up this production line, which might be interesting. Let's throw these over here. Let's do that real quick. That should then take us pretty much to the end of this scenario, which really does need to be split into 2. So sorry about that. Oh, what is going on now, man? Oh, large volcanic eruption. They need painkillers and antibiotics. Interesting. All right. So we dissolver by 3. We can just use an ionizer for that. Gonna make this one not take as long, or not, you know, not be as complicated. Oh gosh, look at this. Then we dissolve. Then we evaporate. Super compact. And more news. Stroke something or other. Great. So then another 3 ionizers. I can't pair those up quite so nicely. So why don't I do that. And then we need 2 autoclaves. Which, one there, one there. Sure, that looks pretty good. 2 autoclaves, then 2 agglomerators and an evaporator. 2 agglomerators. Oops, what am I doing? 2 of them. 2 agglomerators. 2 agglomerators. And then an evaporator. And then my pills. Great, that's it. That's the whole production line. Alright, and so then this one, which one is the digestion, calms acid reflux? Yep, import you. Bam, we just doubled our production. See, that is so easy to do once you've built it once, because I just look at the other production line. So this building now is doing dual appetite suppressant production. We're gonna meet this in no time flat. Looking good. Going to the autoclaves is these little blue thingies here. Boom. And appetite suppressant. Now it's coming through here. Come through here. Come through the evaporator. Suppresses appetite. And out onto the pills. Sweet. Not much more I can do. I could try to make yet another one. I could probably cram these in much more efficiently. I could redo this one now and use some of the, you know, higher tier machines. But I won't need to, because this is 214, 218, yep, 220. Doesn't update while you're hovering over it, unfortunately. We're very close, though. So, so painkillers and antibiotics not back to normal. All right, great. Let's just take a look at our bottom line real quick, make sure we're not making anything useless. Nope, all looks pretty good. The soothing cough one is the least profitable, but it's still 30 bucks a pill. 30 bucks a day. Operating margin is only 38%. Scientists are taking a bit. Oh, I should fire them, actually, now that you mention it. Get out of here, guys. Let's lower the cost on my second tier machines. Let's upgrade the pill, printer, and autoclave process cost. Holy cow, yes, please. Dang. Oh, that's nice. That made that pill way more profitable. Oh. Boom, master level. Thank you very much. Oh, so that's that. And I mean, the way this game works, like I could save it, but I think that I'm just saved into this factory in this scenario. And there's no point in that. If I was gonna do sandbox style play, I'm gonna pick one of the bigger maps to like continue on, where it's like a 3x3 or a 4x4 building, so I can, you know, make tons of machines. I'd have one building for a single process where I make a mega pill or something like that. But for now, so that scenario is done. So all I can do is say leave the game and watch my super sweet master level completion get credited. So, wow, that was pretty cool. I had a little bit of nervousness about finding the right ingredient there, but thankfully it was there in the early desert tier researches, so I was still able to make it even though it was not at all in the first level of ingredients. Well, thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you're all still enjoying Big Pharma. I'll be coming back in another episode where we move on to a game of margins. Attain operating profit of... Wait, what? Operating profit of 150,000 over a 12-month period? Oh, interesting. So that's like a balance sheet goal. Weird. Game of margins. In the game of margins, you make money or you go bankrupt. All right, thanks everybody for watching. I will see you in the next video.